Okay, so we are still on the way to Lim Chu Kang jetty. Oh, tidak slope. Okay, so we came across this place, Bistro Garden Asia. Is it still open? And then we can have our mie goreng.
Sure, nak kena check ada punya main office ke?
Okay, let's go.
Masih kayu. Kalau tak boleh tak apa, lain hari je. Tunggu ada.
Okay, so here we are. I think this is the Police Coast Guard Lim Chu Kang base. Woo! OMG, OMG, OMG! Alright, so we have arrived at the oh, okay, I think there's few dogs there. U-turn. Okay, so we finally arrived Lim Chu Kang end. That is the end. That is the Lim Chu Kang jetty, which is out of bounds to the public. Do not loiter around there because the Police Coast Guard Lim Chu Kang base is just beside this jetty along this road. Okay, so by right we should already concluded the trip for tonight, but we decided to go somewhere else before calling it a night. Okay, so where are we going?
40 tiang.
40 tiang. Okay, so 40 tiang, here we come. Let's go.